When people see the term passive income, they often think of earning money with no work. However, nothing can be further from the truth. The fact is, it does require work to make passive income. However, the work you do is done once and then you keep making money later on the work you did before. It's different from service-based work where you must do the work each time to produce income. With passive income, you create something today that keeps earning money later. People who want to earn money from passive income understand how trading hours for dollars can be limiting. They want to put their time and money to use and one time to keep earning from those efforts. It's the way insurance salespeople have made money for years. They earn a little commission from each person that buys and keeps paying for insurance. Then the more people they sell the insurance to, the bigger and bigger their monthly income becomes. It might take a lot of work to get there, but eventually through momentum, it seems like everything becomes a lot easier. Selling information on popular topics. The internet is now the #1 place to find information on a subject. People turn to the internet whenever they have a question related to cars, making money fast, building wealth over time, real estate, stocks, medical issues, etc. You no longer need to be an author to make money from writing. Write a book, video courses, tutorials, or helpful article and turn it into an online digital product. If your information is really helpful, people will pay for this information. Publish this information online and sit back and earn passive income. Create a product like software or application. With this strategy, you create a product or application that people might find helpful. An example of this would be the Angry Birds app that everyone is so excited about. Another example might be informative Android app on any subject. This goes beyond just writing an article, and you will need some technical skills or access to someone with the technical skills to make a software application for you. Once this is done, you can market the product online or offline. Sell memberships. This can be done via affiliate marketing or network marketing. Here you will find a product or service that you really like and think would be helpful to many people. Sell memberships and receive a one-time commission in addition to a passive income every time that person renews their membership every month. If you don't know enough about these things, but you are eager to learn, I strongly suggest you to learn the passive income idea from books and YouTube videos, then start working on it. If you're looking for more passive income ideas, then watch this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.